Hello guys! Let's learn some colors. Yellow color, brown color, dark blue color, black color, dark green color, red color, purple color, sky blue color, pink color, orange color, violet color, light green color. Let's learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. A for apple. B for blueberry. C for candy. D for dog. E for egg. F for flowers. G for grapes. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kite. L for lemon. M for moon. N for nuts. O for octopus. P for pen. Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for star. T for tiger. U for uniform. V for violin. W for wax. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Z for zero. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.